Connie. EAS.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fremont County in southwestern
This is a
Iowa.
KTV right now. Caitlin, you just.
Southwestern Iowa.
Caitlin, what the heck?
Page County in southwestern Iowa.
You just put back a GMA? What was the one you just said?
Eastern Odo County in southeastern
I thought I just
Nebraska.
failed. The weather
Southeastern
was
Kent
wrong.
County in southeastern Nebraska until 6:45 a.m.
Time for the
At
18
6:14 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending
Called
from
it.
2 miles west of Henderson to 3 miles west of Tabor to 4 miles southwest of Evica.
Hopefully my aunt's
at
okay.
55 miles per hour.
The one that gave me that weather
Expected
that never
hazards
really
include
that
60
worked, but
miles
it's in
per hour
terrible
wind
condition.
gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact.
Okay, that's
Expect
better.
damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
That's Como.
Severe thunderstorms will be near Malvern, Tabor,
This is a radar UK threat. We're okay.
Randolph, and Hastings around 6:20 a.m.
And I am not ready by it anymore.
Around 6:25
I ain't no more
p.m.
clothes.
Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Shenandoah, Hamburg,
I should have a cool trick
Farragut, and Riverton.
after this
This
warning.
includes Interstate 29 between miles
It's one what that
1
thing
and
is.
32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm
This is
warning has been issued until 06:45 a.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Fremont, Mills, Montgomery, and Page, and the following counties:
It's not that big,
Nebraska,
but
Cass, Nemaha, and Odo.
not that big.
The severe thunderstorm warning for northeast.
I said the cool trick to talk to TV. Hold on a second before I end the video.
French Open final and a bit of post-match tension, the rivals have put any feud behind them.
I think I might, if they clap, it'll talk to TV. But anyways, that's it.